today is the day that once I do today's workout movement, I'll have a single digit number of days left, 9 days. No, 1 second, today is day 12. Yeah. So 9 days after this, I'm going for a walk today. I don't feel like practicing yoga today. I'm just going to stretch a little, walk a lot. This is today's outfit because it's a little chilly. That's the only thing. When you go in the morning, the weather is so good. It's so nice and cool. See, it's absolutely dark outside. So I'm just gonna walk for a while. Definitely don't think I'm doing 10,000 steps today. Definitely don't think I'm doing 10,000 steps today. But we're going to try to do the next best thing, which is something. I saw this post that said that an average day at the gym is still better than a good day on the couch. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Don't quote me on it. But it's true. Showing up and just moving out and around for a bit is better than nothing at all. Oh my god, the moon! Wait, I'll show you guys. It's out. Do you remember as a child thinking that the moon or the sun is following you? I still believe that. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking and tell you how many steps I do before the sun is out. The sun isn't out yet. It's around 6:24. I'm at 1800 steps. The best part about walking early morning is it's so nice and quiet. The sky is like a pink purple color today. Effective way to complete 1,000 steps faster. So instead of taking rounds of the basketball court, I'm doing these spiral things, squiggly spiral things. It's taking 10 minutes. It's been over 10 minutes and I've still not finished one round of this. And it's almost 1,000 steps. So this is more fun also, I guess, for right now. I should do 5,000 at least today. Chalo. Not even about doing 5,000 steps. I've already walked for over half an hour. So maybe I'll walk for an hour and call it a day, because last time it took me an hour and 45 minutes or 50 minutes to finish 10,000 steps. That's a lot of time. So I just want to take it a tad bit easy today, because we have another 9 days of this challenge left, 21 days of movement. So I want to be able to finish it. I don't want to take a rest day in the middle. The whole idea is to just move, so it doesn't have to be intense or tiring. It's just I want to do this till it's fun. The whole I believe that is for anything to sustain doing anything, you need to make sure it's not a task. There was a mosquito on my thumb while I was recording. Okay, chalo. I'm done with 5k. 5k. Saw a rock and I thought it was an animal. Why am I like this? I'm done with 5k. Now whatever we do is extra on the side, sprinkled on top. I think I'm gonna take a normal round now. So I started walking at 6:07. I have completed an hour. Now I'm just gonna relax. I think 1 hour walking, and when you look at the steps, it's not a lot. It's 5,000, but it is a lot honestly from not moving at all. So good job. It's out. It's such a mood booster when the sun comes out. Wow. Mosquito on my hand. See 200 steps now. You know the thing is, every time I reach a number, I just feel as though, okay, another 1,000 steps, I'll go another 500. Now I'm at 6,200. I'm like, let me just make it a round figure and make it 7,000, because these pretty flowers against the light, so you can't see them. Did 7,000 steps. Now I just need to stop walking because it's a very bad way to function. It's not bad, it's good in a way to think, oh, there's only 3,000 steps more. I'm like literally just about to go to the gym and walk on the treadmill to complete it, but I need to stop. I'm supposed to take it easy. I know if I reach 8,000, I need to stop. I need to stop. 7,500 steps, 2,500 more, 1,000 steps to go. We're doing it. I'll be honest, it feels nice. Why in my head I thought doing 10,000 steps is easier than practicing yoga, but I think I need some change. So that's the whole idea of this movement thing. You do some form of activity. Steps to go. Ayola is invested in this. As I imagine you all being waiting to check updates. Did she do it? Did she not? But I think it'll be in the title, no? What the trick to doing this is though. You at least what works for me. I don't wake up thinking I'm going to do 10,000 steps. I just wake up and say that I'm going to say I'm talking about this as though I've done this 100 times. But what I do is I wake up and I'm like, I'm just going to walk for a walk. Then when I reach 1,000 steps, I'm like, okay, I'll do another 1,000. And then I gradually keep increasing it. So that helps me at least, personally. I'm going to report when I'm done with 10k now. 10k steps done. 10,000 steps. Yay! Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. See you guys tomorrow. Honestly, I'm so happy I could do this today. And I already said bye, but I'm gonna say bye again. I'm gonna take it easy tomorrow for sure though. Just yoga. That's it.